Hello, my friends. Welcome to the 282nd episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen. Hope all you're doing well. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a cream cheese pound cake from scratch. Oh my goodness, my friends. You won't believe how moist this cake is. It is so flavorful, thebomb.com, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a cream cheese glaze on it. It is extremely delicious. And this would be great to serve for Sunday soul food, barbecues, or other fun events. Your whole family will love this pound cake. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my pound cake playlist for more delicious pound cake recipes. So grab your cream cheese, your flour, and your butter sugar, because we're about to bake some cream cheese pound cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, for this recipe, I'm using 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of salted and unsalted butter, a half a cup of butter flavored shortening, and 1 8-ounce carton of softened cream cheese spread in my large bowl. And we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Remember, when making a pound cake, you need lots of sugar and lots of fats. Your butter, your shortening. Want to get it nice and sweet. And using my hand mixer, we're going to cream until it's fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 6 jumbo eggs at room temperature. We're going to add them one at a time. Alright, last egg. Blend this in until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now it's time to add in the extracts. Gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of lemon extract, and a half a teaspoon of cream cheese flavor. A 1/4 of a cup of sweet milk. Sweet milk is Southern talk for whole milk. And now for the ingredient that's gonna take this pound cake to the next level. We're going to add in a 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. That's right, sugar, mayonnaise. OMG, this is going to give the cream cheese pound cakes, make it so moist. And again, we're going to blend this until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next it's time to add in the flour. I have 3 cups of self-rising flour that I sifted. Going to add it in a little at a time. And blend this until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, the cake batter is done. Luscious, smooth, whipped. Alright, that looks great. I can smell the cream cheese, the vanilla, and the lemon extract. Alright, perfect. So now we're going to pour the cake batter into a 10-inch bun pan that I greased with baking spray. Alright, my friends, I got the batter into the pan. So now we're going to shake it. And then we're going to bang it to get some of the air bubbles out. Alrighty, now it's time to put this soul sister in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes until it's golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my cream cheese pound cake out of the oven. I let it cool. So now I took it out of the pan and put it on my cake plate. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the cream cheese glaze. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar that I whisk, or you can sift it. And we're going to add in about 1 ounce to 1.5 ounces of softened cream cheese spread. Going to stir that together until it's nice and well combined. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and about 1/8 teaspoon of almond extract and 2 tablespoons of sweet milk, which is whole milk. Stir it until it's nice and well combined. And you can always add more milk if it's too thick, and add more powdered sugar if it's too thin. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my glaze and I got it to the right consistency. Now we're ready to drizzle over the cake. Alright my friends, there you have it, Southern cream cheese pound cake. That looks marvelous. Alright, so now we're going to let the glaze harden and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. My friends, look at that Southern slice of goodness right there. And I'm serving it with a scoop of my homemade vanilla ice cream. I made that on my last video. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Now it's time for the moment of truth. The tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. Oh yeah. My friends, this cake is just as tender as your mother-in-law's love. It is so moist and dense. And I love the cream cheese glaze on it. And it's so decadent. Please give this recipe a try. This is a vanilla bite. Ooh wee! Give me a little ice cream. Oh yeah. Yum-o. Cream cheese pound cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!